Whoops, I hit something. Is it recording?
No. Move it down a little.
It's not recording.
Whoops.
I'm not.
Should we use the video?
Is that good? Is that good?
I need to move it to the side a little, so Ashley's not in the middle, because that one's moving. Hold on. Yeah, like that. Are you recording it?
No.
I should practice.
She's fucking good at the lights, man. She does it like perfectly.
I'm not coordinating enough for this. Can you guys do this? Let me try.
Try it again, guys. Take two.
I can't do it.
She's so good.
She just practiced like
She used the lightning technique like 5 times.
All right, you guys ready?
You have a better mean face than me.
Okay. Are we ready? Are we playing the video?
I'm as ready as I'll ever be. Yeah.
Okay.